Hello students, good morning. So welcome back to the class again. So in the previous video I have given you some simple examples of popcorn and mango juice to explain you input, process and output. So let us revise this again in terms of computer. Okay. So as I told you, this is the input device and CPU is the processing unit and our monitor gives us the output. Okay, so let us see a simple calculation. Okay students, keyboard and mouse, these are the input devices. We'll see in the next class, we'll see how mouse is the input device. In the previous class I told you about the keyboard. How is the keyboard an input device, then how this is the processing unit and how monitor serves as the output device. So let us see. So using the keyboard, let us give some numbers to the computer. Okay, let us take 4 and 5 and we are giving the instruction of let us suppose take addition. We are giving the instruction. Okay, we are going to add these numbers. So here the process is going on. We are giving the input. What is the input here? Let us take 4 and 5 and we are instructing to add. Okay, we are giving the input with the help of the keyboard. Then the process is we are giving the input here, then the process goes on here. Okay, we are giving the input and instruction of addition. Okay, we are giving the input and the instruction of addition using the keyboard. Then the process goes on here and the result appears here on the screen. Okay students, whatever the CPU performs, the result appears on the screen of the monitor. So overall, keyboard and mouse are the input devices. The process goes on in the CPU and we find the result. We will get the output here on the screen. Okay students, let us suppose we are counting numbers. Okay, if I give you a simple addition, what is add 2 and 4. Okay, you will take out 2 fingers, you will take out 4 fingers, then you will see with your eyes. First you will take out your fingers, you will see with your eyes, then you will count. Okay, how is it possible? Are you doing this with your hands? Are you doing this with your eyes? What is the main function going on here? Our brain is counting these numbers. Okay, we are using our hands here. Okay, isn't it? We are using our hands. We are seeing with our eyes, then we are counting in the brain. Okay, similarly CPU also acts as the brain of the computer. What is CPU, children? CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay, who is adding? If I give you a simple task of addition, who is performing the work here? Our brain is functioning, our brain is doing the work here. So CPU is also the brain of the computer. Okay, what is the full form of CPU, children? CPU means Central Processing Unit. Okay, Central Processing Unit. Then CPU controls all the functions. Okay, it controls all the functions. CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay students, I hope you have understood this input and output devices. Then coming to this output, this is our monitor. It looks like a television screen. Okay, it looks like a television screen, and in the markets nowadays LCD and LED monitors are mostly and preferably available in the market. So this was all about the parts of the computer: input, process and output devices. And coming to the advantages of the computer, as I told you in the previous class, what are the advantages? It doesn't forget. Okay, it doesn't forget things. Then it is very accurate. It gives us the exact and correct answer. It never gets tired. If we are asked to do some work again and again, we'll feel tired. How many times we have to do this, we'll feel bored and tired. But in case of computer, it does not get tired. So we have got many advantages, students. We use these computers at railway stations, schools, offices. Number of tasks are done in e-seva, me-seva, online services, booking ticket. Number of things we use this computer and we perform, and we are getting the results within no time. It is very quick and accurate. So computers serve us in lot many ways. We are using this in wide variety of fields. So we have got number of, that is numerous advantages of computer. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.